In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have a clean CSV file you can open in Excel, Google Sheets, or import into your CRM, all without losing important details. Start at your ClickFunnels dashboard. Look to the left-hand menu and click Customers, then choose Contacts from the drop-down. This opens your full contact list so you can see everyone stored in your account. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the right list, especially if you manage multiple funnels or workspaces. Next, decide exactly which contacts you want to include. If you only need one person, check the box beside that single contact. If you need several, use the checkboxes next to each name to build your selection. And if you want everything, click the checkbox at the top of the list to select all contacts at once. This top box is a quick way to grab the entire list, which is useful for backups or complete migrations. With your selection ready, it's time to initiate the export. If you chose only one contact, click Actions. If you selected multiple contacts, click Bulk Actions. From the menu that appears, choose Export. This tells ClickFunnels you're preparing a downloadable file rather than editing or deleting records. An export dialog will open where you can choose the fields to include. Select the data you actually need, like email, name, phone, and any custom fields you rely on. Keeping the file focused makes it smaller, faster to process, and safer to share. If timing matters, you can also schedule the export for a later date and time, which is helpful if you want it to run during off hours. Review your selections and confirm once everything looks right. Now, create the file. Click Create Export Action to begin the process. Depending on the number of contacts and fields, this might take a moment. Avoid refreshing or navigating away until you see the export marked as ready. When it's finished, click Download Export to save the CSV to your computer. Most browsers will place it in your default Downloads folder, and the file name usually reflects the export date, so it's easy to identify. Open the CSV in Excel or Google Sheets to verify the columns and spot check a few rows. If you're importing into another system, confirm that your headers match what that system expects. Finally, handle the file carefully. Contact data is sensitive. Store it securely and share it only with trusted tools or teammates. And that's it.